Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You cannot directly use an Apple gift card to pay on eBay. Apple gift cards redeem to your Apple ID balance for Apple purchases and services. eBay does not accept Apple ID balance as a payment method. This means you must convert the card value before spending on eBay. Converting requires either selling the card, trading it for cash, or buying an Apple product and reselling that item. I will explain secure options, typical fees, and step-by-step actions to complete each legal conversion safely. Sell the Apple gift card on a reputable gift card marketplace to convert it to cash. Typical offers range from 80% to 95% of the card face value, depending on demand and card amount. Verify platforms like Raise or Card Cash and check their seller fees and payout timing. Expect payout methods such as PayPal, bank transfer, or store credit. After receiving cash in PayPal or your bank, you can use those funds to pay for eBay purchases securely and track your transaction history. Use your Apple balance to buy in-demand Apple devices and accessories, then list them on eBay to convert value to cash. Research fair market price and list competitively, including accurate photos and serial numbers. Account for eBay seller fees of 10% to 15% plus payment processing and shipping costs when setting your price. Ship sold items with tracking and insurance to protect against disputes and chargebacks. After sale, transfer proceeds to your bank or PayPal for future eBay purchases or with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.